Hello everyone, I continue building my 3D printer. While you watch me cutting aluminum angles for the frame, I tell you the task for this part. The plan is to assemble the frame, make the mounts, install the Z-axis, and also build and install the heated bed. In the last part I forgot to say, I'm building this printer on the MKS Robi Nano V3.1 port. Here are almost all the parts that will make the printer. I start by cleaning the aluminum angles for the sharp edges, so they don't bother me later, and also to test my new tool, which I'm happy with. A small pile of chips already appeared, and it would definitely get in the way later. Next, I decline to position some parts, just to see how it will better to connect them. So later I won't realize that something is wrong, and have it to take the frame apart. These aluminum angles are not cheap, and I don't want to waste them. For temporary fix it I used a couple of clamps. I make it and drill the holes, and also made chamfer for rivets. Then I did the same for the other parts. Marked, drilled, chamfered and riveted. Riveting was fun, drilling too, but only the beginning. By the time the frame was done, I drilled a lot of holes. Here's one finished corner, 1 of 8. I continue the same steps for 2 more corners. Finally, after this long frame assembly, I move to the Z-axis. There will be 2 of them on the sides. I first put together the motor and the lead screw to check the size and found the right height for the bottom mount. But first I had to measure everything. Now I move to the mount itself. I set the height between the workspace and the electronics. It has to be straight, because even a small tilt could cause problem later. In the end, it wasn't too hard, but it took time. Drilled, chamfered and riveted. The same thing 3 more times. As you can see, I'm building this project without any drawings. The drawing is only in my head. How good this idea was, we will see later. For me, this is a challenge. Here's the result for now. The frame already looks solid, and my surprise, it's not crooked. Next, I found the center for the Z-axis mount and mark the holes. I want to use strong 4mm rivets, so drilled the holes larger. Marking these holes took a lot of time. I wanted them to be clean, so the screw fit well and nothing touches. Finally, I marked where to drill and started drilling. Time for a test fit. Holding my breath, I place the part in position. I add the motor, which should be mounted lower. And here was the problem. The motor and its mount were not aligned with the screw. What was I thinking? I was upset, but after a couple of days, I bought another angle and continued. This new angle will be the motor mount, no other option. And yes, the hole that I measured so carefully had to be drilled again. Another test fit, finally, it matched. Now I need to fix this mount straight, without tilt on the frame. One more test fit, and if everything is fine, I can assemble this part. All good, I assemble it. But now, instead of rivets, I use screw and washers, because the axis mount 4mm. Off camera I did the same on the other side. This is only the beginning. Here is the result. At least I like it. Next step, the linear guides, 2 in each side. The process is simple. Mark, drill, chamfer, rivet. Of course, I'd prefer rail guides, but this project is already expensive enough. This is not about saving money, but about testing myself. Done. Buy set already. Take a look. Now I need to make a mount for the heated bed. This part was easy. I made 4 rivets in the corners, drilled and riveted. It was nice to work on this part, clean and simple. Time to unpack the heated bed. The working area is 30 centimeters, almost 12 inches. I mark the spot for adjustable mounts and drill the holes. Now I can assemble the bed unit. This step is always satisfying, when everything fits as planned. Later I will flip the bed frame to gain a little more print area. Here's the result. Later I will be also add solution under the bed. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment and subscribe. See you in the next part. Bye.